Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you a home repair tip on a part called an air gap. I was doing a walkthrough in a house the other day and I saw that they had the dishwasher on and water was shooting out where it's not supposed to shoot out. So I took a minute, took a video of it, and I'll show you that little clip as well as how to fix that if that ever happens in your home. Alright, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a real estate agent at Exp Realty in Southern California. All my contact information is down below in the notes, so definitely take a look at that and give us a like, a thumbs up, a share, a comment, something good for us. Also, we're doing a giveaway for a free dozen cookies. I'll be giving you information throughout the video or at the end of the video on how to set yourself up for that drawing. Okay, do you see the water coming out of there? It's not supposed to come out of there. That part is called an air gap, and I'm going to show you exactly what causes that. And the problem with this is that could be this cap here sometimes will be turned around like this and the water would shoot out on the countertop and just flood the countertop. So ideally you want to fix that right away. Okay, so one thing, when you pull this cap off, you can see there's an awful lot of grease built up inside here. That all needs to be cleaned up. That in itself could just be the only problem. Okay, so this is what you're gonna have. Okay, this is the part called the air gap. Right here is where it comes through the sink, so anything above here would be above the sink. Anything below would be down under the sink. Garbage disposal is going to be down under the sink as well. Right here, this is the part where the food goes inside the sink itself. Okay, so what happens on this is you can see there's another place for another hose over here. This would be where the water from the dishwasher would come, go up in here, and it basically makes a U-turn and comes down here and drops into the garbage disposal. Well, the line coming from the dishwasher up to the air gap is pressurized. There's a pump in the dishwasher that forces the water out. Okay, while it's forcing it out, it comes in here, turns around, and just drains out of it. So it just falls by gravity. Okay, so this is always what plugs up. It never plugs up on the other line. So if you come to this under the sink, there'll be a hose clamp under here. Take the hose clamp off, pull the hose off, look up in there. If you don't see any debris in there, then look through this hose, take this clamp off here, look inside of here, make sure that you can stick a screwdriver or something in there, run it around and get the grease or whatever out of there. Put it back together, turn it on, the thing will work like a champ, guaranteed. Another issue possibly is inside of here. If you have a brand new garbage disposal, this will happen sometimes. Whoever installed the garbage disposal has to knock out inside of here. There's a little plug. I can't get my finger through here. There's a plug in here. You usually would take like a screwdriver and just a light hammer and just knock and break the plug out of there. It's made to be broke out of there so that this can work when you have a dishwasher, but they put the plug in there so that if you don't have a dishwasher and you go pulling the stopper on a sink full of water, it doesn't come all flying out of here. So sometimes that gets forgotten. That's all there is to it. One of those two things, fix it and you're done. I just saved you like $150 to $250. You should at least give me a like, thumbs up, something, comment, share. All right, now I'm going to tell you about the free cookies. How do you enter to win? Throughout the video, you will have noticed there's numbers up at the top of the screen. It's going to be a single digit number. There will be 3 times it appears during the video. Okay, you'll need to watch back through the video if you didn't write them down. Say for example, 6 appears, and then a couple minutes later, 8 appears, and then maybe a little bit later, a 9 appears. Then 6, 8, 9. It's going to be a 3-digit number. That's going to be the code to enter for the cookie drawing. What that tells us is that you watched the video. After you watch the video, get the code, then you're going to contact us by email. Email's in the contact information below. You're going to title your email cookies. You're going to tell us what the top 3 choices of your favorite cookies are, and that 3-digit code 689 Also, you're going to want to put your first and last name and a good text phone number for you in the body of the email. And you'll need to leave a comment in the comments section below, and that will enter you in the drawing. The cookies come from my favorite bakery. It's an online bakery. They only ship to California, so you won't be able to receive it if you're outside of California. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share it with a friend. See you on the next video.